You can see here how we've locked on the locking pad to the actual clip itself, which has been attached to the shaft. This tool that is supplied with all the kits enables the installer to do that. Our adjustment for the Zona Works will now be made with the adjustable base plate, which will be wound into the desired length to create the cavity that is needed for the installation. A 10mm channel nut and stud set will be used to attach the StoneClip itself to the channel. These new StoneClip support clips have been manufactured to help installation with the large format porcelain panels that are becoming available on our market today. 3m by 1.5 by 6mm porcelain panel. We're using our 6mm bend here, which is a 200mm by 100mm by 2mm product with a fixation zone across it. The epoxy will transfer between the porcelain panel and the StoneClip support clip, which will then be locked on with the aid of the StoneClip adjustable shaft and base plate to the channel you can see below.
Here.